Hello everyone. My name is Fatima. I would be doing the presentation for how to use reverse image search. The table of contents we have, the first one is introduction to reverse image searching. And then we have getting started with reverse image search. The third one is reverse image search tools. And last, we have video demo. And then introduction to reverse search image search. Reverse image search is a tool that allows you to search the internet using a picture instead of a text. Rather than typing out a description of what you're looking for, you can upload a photo. The search engine will then look for that exact image or a similar one. This is especially useful for finding out where an image came from and determining if it is real or fake. Why do we use reverse image search? Reverse image search is very useful as it can be used to find an image based on the image you upload. An example would be if you don't remember when you bought an item and you're trying to get a new one. In this case, you can take a picture of the item and upload it to Google and see if you can find the same item under the shopping tab or just a picture of the brand. Some reverse imaging tools we have. Some tools support reverse imaging, tools like Google Lens, TinEye, Bing Visual Search. Using Google Lens, when using Google Lens, you must open the Google app and find the camera icon on the search bar. If you're on a device that takes photos like your phone, you can take a picture or just upload one. Using TinEye. For TinEye, you can go to their website and you can upload a picture or paste a link. It is good for tracking older or reused images. Using Bing Visual Search. When you are using Bing Visual Search, you would need to go to bing.com/images. From there, you will tap on the camera, which works and looks similarly to Google. When do we use it? Reverse imaging is a very useful tool that can be used in many different situations, some of which would be to check if a news photo is real, to see where else that image would appear, to find higher quality versions of your image, or to find a specific item you're looking for. Tips for accuracy. Check multiple tools like the ones mentioned in today's presentation. Look at the dates the photo appeared, as well as comparing captions with their locations. Commonly used for, that means what reverse images are commonly used for. Many people use the reverse imaging for different reasons. There are a couple reasons that you can use reverse imaging for, like spotting scam photos in emails, checking if a cute pet photo is from a real rescue group, finding old family photos or better quality copies. Staying safe online. Make sure not to always believe every photo you see online, especially with the technological advances of AI. Use a reverse search, such as a fact-checking tool. Be cautious with any suspicious images you may come across. Practicing using reverse imaging. You can practice using the reverse imaging or using the tool yourself. Becoming familiar with this tool and use the one that you are most comfortable with. We have a video demo. According to some of you, we can play it when we go to the breakout rooms for everyone to see. Thank you so much. If you'd like to learn a lesson with Cyber Seniors Mentor, go to the email or call the number on the screen to register for a one-on-one full session. They also host a weekly tech drop-in session from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern time on Thursdays.
Great. Thank you.